Hi there, friends. Chris is again going to video. This is a request from all four of these, from all four of my children, Art, Megan, Chauncey, and Wednesday. And they all want me to react to the ceiling pinata prank from Angry Grandpa. Thank you so much, baby. So let's check it out, baby. The focus.
Angry Pinata. Do you not trust me at all? No. Well, then that's your fault. Trust me, I've done my research. It's to be hanging right here, Dad.
Why on the fan?
Can you miss that? Oh, no, anyway, I missed that. I have that number of your mom. I guess. So we get it right here. All you gotta do is make sure you don't go from windows or pictures of the wall and stuff. How in the hell?
Grandpa, rest in peace.
You don't question everything. Hey, you got it right! Okay, you can't do it outside because you don't have any freaking low-hanging branches. Let's just do it. Come on. Well, hold on. Just hold on a minute. You have a twine you can hang it up there, Bridget? Yeah. Which you can't see. There you got it. Well, do yourself then.
It's gonna be dangerous.
You put them on your face and open up your eyes. That's good. Now, we're doing this to it right. Alright. Extra protection, Mr. Batman. Don't swing yet. God sake, don't swing yet! Hold on, still hanging it. In fact, you better stop this. I'm hanging it. I don't know you hanging it. Just go ahead. I got you. Okay.
What? He's gonna make him purposely hit the fucking ceiling fan? What? No, I would not let anybody swimming like that. That's way too much.
One more. We get out of the way. Okay. Go. Not yet. Too low. Higher. Oh. Higher. Higher.
Oh.
Stop! Stop!
Oh.
We're standing! Did you know the class? We're standing! We're standing! Oh shit! I'm sorry! You Dad! Oh my God! What is wrong with you? Don't you got it?
What's wrong with...
Okay. I'm sorry.
Why'd you even do this? What is the fucking meaning behind this?
You should have never trusted me to do a freaking pinata in this room anyway.
You're for requesting me a really weird video, didn't you?
No! I'm sorry. You've been pranking me so much that I wanted to freaking get you for Jesus
No.
Christ! Bridget, get him off! Yeah, help, Bridget. Dude, I'm not coming back. I won't come back if you do this. It's fine. It's real fine with me. Goodbye. Pretty cool. I'll be back. No, you won't. Yes, I will be back. I'll give it a training order.
I will too. I would too, because Michael's a fucking dummy. Yeah, what that said, guys, that was a good one, funny one. What is the fucking plan? I mean, did he really... Didn't Michael buy him that house, though? With that said, thanks for watching. Take care. See you guys later. Peace out. Bye-bye.